We are nearing the area of operations now, Tracker. Make your final checks. The KS-AD-187 has a powerful sensor suite, capable of detecting moving targets, even through reinforced concrete. I have also included you in its IFF system, so it will defend you if you come under fire. Kumo-chan has detected hostiles near your location, just on the other side of that wall. I'll position you to its sensor data now.
Sounds like something moving around upstairs. If it's anything, the regular patrol should pick it up.
Looks like you can't proceed without taking those guards down.
Damn it! And I know the intel we're looking for is inside that conference room. Hey! I thought your drone was supposed to defend me in a fight, not run and hide!
That was my doing. I can't risk endangering the drone before you've recovered the intel. Besides, you're more than up for the task, aren't you, Tracker? You're too far ahead of the drone.
Rin, we've reached the access point.
Hold your position while I breach the sanatorium's network. Should only take a few seconds. B, 5A, 1E.
Damn it! The code was rejected. Did I enter it incorrectly?
The code was rejected, but slow down and start again. You can do it. B, 5A, 1E. Don't get distracted. We know the Tontine have many world leaders in their pocket. I'm sure what you found is genuine, but also irrelevant to our current mission.
Oh, that's strange. Found a postcard here.
Stay focused, Tracker. Unless it's specifically related to Reznov, it's beyond our mission parameters. Don't waste any more time on it.
Now this looks important. It's Reznov for sure. But I don't recognize the other two.
That journal in the image, that is why we're here. Keep moving, Tracker. Stay still and you're dead. We're approaching a major concentration of the enemy.
I can't get around them without being detected.
You're too far ahead of the drone. It appears to be a level 3 security clearance card. That should open most, if not all, doors in this facility. That's it. The location of the Reznov journal. Move forward.
Wait, Kumo-chan seems to have found something.
It's picked up the electronic signature of a control console. That might be our way in.
Let's get this thing open. The sooner I'm out of here, the better. Damn it! The code was rejected. Did I enter it incorrectly?
Stay close to the drone tracker. It can't protect you if you're too far from it. I have to commend Reznov. He went to considerable effort to keep the journal's hiding place a secret.
Pretty ingenious if you ask me. And then we had to come along and mess it all up.
Don't let your guard down. We don't know what's in there, or if someone else has been alerted to the pool being drained.
Still trying to wrap my head around the idea that the Tontine have been around as long as they've been. Oh, I'm sure scary Rin Yoshida knows a real spooky story.
Scary, am I? Well, not nearly as scary as Kuchisaki Onna, who curses those who don't find her beautiful. Look out, Chaka! She's right behind you!
I'm coming under fire!
I'm engaging the drone's combat mode. Stand by. You're too far ahead of the drone.
Blast door up ahead.
I see it.
The access card I found earlier might open it.
After you. The safe seems the likeliest place for the journal. You take care of that while I set Kumo-chan to offense mode.
Roger that. Alright, now's my time to shine.
Stay close to the drone tracker. It can't protect you if you're too far from it.
There's a lot of people down here not very happy about it.
The evac helicopter is on its way, but I need you to get to the extraction point.